Introducing the robust and dependable Sinolift H Series CPD 50M electric counterbalanced forklift, engineered with excellence and packed with remarkable features. Elevating standards in durability and strength, the Sinolift H Series CPD 50M offers impressive lift capacities from 4 to 5 tons. Effortlessly manage demanding material handling tasks with exceptional steering and unparalleled maneuverability, even in tight spaces, thanks to the forklift's compact turning radius. Designed for safety, the forklift includes a low anti-slip footstep and hand grip, ensuring 3 secure points of contact during entry and exit. Operator comfort is prioritized with a spacious cabin, enhanced suspension seat, adjustable steering column, and ample legroom, promising a superior driving experience. The CPD 50M Series is powered by robust AC drive and lift motors, paired with reliable Curtis AC controllers, delivering peak performance and reliability. Regenerative braking reassures operators by recycling energy back into the battery, extending runtime. The high-capacity, maintenance-free lithium-ion battery provides up to 8.5 hours of operation on a single charge, ensuring uninterrupted work shifts. With a maximum lift height of 3,000 mm and features like automatic speed control and synchronous power steering, the CPD 50M Series guarantees an optimal driving experience. Safety is paramount with the CPD 50M Series forklift, featuring a wide view mast that offers comprehensive visibility and clear sightlines, ensuring safe operation. Front and rear LEDs enhance visibility in low light conditions, promoting safer handling within the workplace and boosting operator confidence. To elevate your business with enduring performance, strength, and productivity-enhancing features, rely on the Sinolift H Series CPD 50M forklift to get the job done with confidence.